Hey everybody, I want to give a shout out and a big thanks to everybody that's been watching our channel. We do appreciate it. We've got some new inventory that's come in, so we're going to be posting some stuff here shortly. And we've got some trips we're going to take, so stay tuned. We've got some good things coming up. But today we've got a 1952 F100 with a flathead V8. This truck does crank up and run. It needs a little more TLC to get it running right, but it does crank up. Someone has painted the chrome, which unfortunately with a paintbrush, but that's how it is. It does have a key. The interior is really nice. This door, the driver's side, I got to work on getting it open, but the passenger side does open. We'll take a walk around. This thing's a pretty solid truck. It's a local truck we did buy locally. It's very solid. Like I said, the interior is really good on it. We're packed up in here. You can see how tight it is. So we need to sell some things. Y'all need to call me. Come buy some stuff. If you see anything in the background that you're interested in, let me know. We can get you a price on that too. Again, we're really tight here. That's just paint right there that's coming off. There might be a spot right there that looks kind of bad. And there's a spot right there too. We can't get through that way, so we'll walk back around this way. We do still have running trucks too. We got this 01 Chevrolet and this 2014 Nissan Frontier. This has got a 6.0 in it, manual. It's a good running truck. We got this 69 Oldsmobile. It cranks and drives. All right, back on the 52 F100, sorry. You can see this interior looks really good. Somebody's covered the seat. They started working on it. The glass is broke back there. It looks pretty solid. It says 55,464 on the mileage. If you have any questions, you can let me know. This does have a flatbed on it. It is on a short wheelbase. Again, it's a flathead V8, cranks up, runs. Just needs somebody to love on it. Give me a call, hit that like, hit that subscribe. This one here is $5,000. Let me know if you're interested.